the northeastern part of Mindanao is facing the Pacific Ocean. So the province of Surigao, including the island of Siargao, is within the range of the Pacific Ocean. And all these international vessels carrying cargoes and passengers probably passes through that lane kasi that's the highway. That's what they call the nautical highway. So maaari na may distribution diyan, maaari din na dinadaanan niyan na malalaking kargamento na nagkakarga ng ganyang mga kontrabando. At in the middle of their navigation, nagkakaroon ng problema, kaysa mahuli, hinuhulog. O hindi kaya sadyang hinuhulog. Pacific Ocean ito maraming pwedeng pumikap dyan. Ang Pacific Ocean, maraming pwedeng dumaan dyan yung mga drug lords ng Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Myanmar, Laos. So dyan pwedeng dumaan, pick upin niya mga yan na hinuhulog ng mga Meksikano o mga Colombiano.
Parang transshipment lang.
Parang transshipment. Kasi aside from the island's characteristic of being porous, napakadaming islang maliliit na pwedeng hulugan lang at pick upin na lang. Napakahirap bantayan kasi niyan